Hey YouTube, I just wanted to film a video on filling new or used ball joints with extra grease. Sometimes your ball joint, even if you buy it new, does not have enough grease in it. Oftentimes manufacturers just don't do a good enough job of really packing it full of grease, so this will be a quick video showing you how to add extra grease to your ball joint. Adding more grease to your ball joint is going to give you a better functioning ball joint, so that's really the reason to do it. Even if it's brand new, like I said, if the manufacturer doesn't give you enough grease, it's probably not going to function properly because it's not going to have enough grease to lubricate it and protect it from dirt and other junk that might get in there, especially if the little rubber boot becomes torn or punctured throughout its life. So do this first right off the bat when you buy your new ball joints. Make sure they have a full thick amount of grease in there and they'll perform better for you. Get yourself a little pick. This came out of this little mini pick set from Harbor Freight, and I'll show you how to take that off. So as you can see, I just slide the round pick underneath this. Be careful not to puncture the boot. So yeah, come up and over this way, and then that will catch it on that lip right there. So it will come off the blue part completely. As you can tell, it's coming right off. Boom, there it is. Okay. Now you're going to want to, as you can tell, I can open up the boot. You're going to want to pull it down as you slide it off. And there's the grease. Not enough grease. So we're going to pack more grease in there. So this is the grease I'm going to use, molylithium grease from Walmart, and it's a dark gray color, so it should exactly match the grease that's in here. So I've got my plastic knife here, and I'm just going to get some grease on my knife and pack her in here. Now you don't have to totally overdo it. I'm not trying to fill the entire boot. I'm just trying to add to what the ball joint came with to make sure it has a lot of grease, since this does not have a Zerk fitting, so I won't be able to add more grease very easily once it's on the car. So once you get about there, grease is all around the boot and looks like there's a good amount. Then we're going to put the boot back on. Should have mentioned this earlier, but it's good to have some disposable gloves. I'm just going to push this on here. There you go. That's what you're looking for. Just grab your paper towel and just wipe the excess grease off. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just get most of it. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna put the ring back on. So find where the ring starts. Stick your tool into it. You want your pick pointing up. Come up to the blue area and just get it above, there you go, above that lip there. Just run it all the way around. Until the entire ring is over the blue lip, or whatever your ball joint looks like. And there you go. That's how you pack extra grease into a new or old ball joint.